Hello everyone, my name is Khushi. I am student of Rioel Education. Today I am here to share my experience with you. I completed my advanced diploma course at Rioel Education. When I first come at Rioel Education, I was keen to build strong skills, not just for my future, not just for certificates, but to get a proper knowledge of computer and build strong skills. From a very first session, my faculty understand me, what I was and what I need to improve. My experience was truly transformative. The classes are held on with real-time support and projects. I was not just listening but applying it. And one of my favorite things about this institute is that they conduct practical games and activities in such a way that we're enjoying a lot, and it helps to build our confidence and gains knowledge through this. Because of Rioel Education, now I feel confident and I can use computer tools not just for my assignments but for whatever comes next, whether for a job, for a business, or for whether creative ventures. If you are looking at an institute and want to build a career in computer and English speaking, I wholeheartedly recommend Rioel Education. Thank you so much to share my experience with you. Rioel Education, your path, our promise. Thank you.